Hello crafters, welcome to Elf Creations, and today we're going to be making a wreath. We are going to be making a bow Christmas wreath. Now these are self-adhesive bows that you can buy. I got these in my pound store, and these are a pack of 4. Then I got these in the red, gold and green 25. Then I got these at another store. I get 20 for 89p. And then I got these from Pound Stretchers, I think it was. Is it Pound Stretchers? Yeah, Pound Stretchers. And again in the red, gold and green. And these are £1. So I've got different sizes. So I'm going to take them all out of the packaging. And then we'll make a start. Okay, I have my hot glue going in the background onto one side. They are self-adhesive. They do have a peely back, but I'm not going to just trust that on their own merit. I'm also going to hot glue them down. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on the back, and these are the biggest size. I'm going to start on, I think I'm going to start with the biggest ones. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this via fast forward, because it's quite a repetitive thing that I'm going to be doing. I'm not even sure if I'm going to bother taking off the paper. I might just stick them down. So I'm sticking these slightly smaller ones on the inside of the wreath. So that's the inside of the wreath. Now I'm just going to play about with all the different sizes, and I'm going to completely cover this wreath. I thought I had enough, but I might have to go out and buy some more. We will soon see. Okay crafters, I'm going to stop there because I've run out of green. And as you can see, I've probably covered about a good three quarters of it. So I'm going to get another bag of each of the bows, and then I'm going to finish it off, and then I will bring the finished wreath for you to come and, for you to see. So far I'm really enjoying the way it looks. I think it's great and whimsical, so this is great for the kind of whimsical theme that I'm going for this Christmas. So the Christmas of 2017, I'm kind of having a whimsical kind of theme, and I think this will be very fitting. And I know that they do it in the UK. I know they do colour themed bags as well. Like you can get blue and silver, you can get black and silver, black and gold. So if you're lucky enough to have somewhere that sells them in colour themes, then you could do these in any colour you chose. So I will get some more packs of these, and then I will finish it all off camera, and then I will bring the finished article to the big screen, so to speak, for you all to see. One thing I'm just doing here, there's a loop in the centre which I've just cut open, and I'm going to sink one of these gold ones in here just to break up that solid big brass redness, and in this one I'm going to put a red one. Another red one in that green one, just to break up the bigness, the boldness. And then we're going to go back to a gold one in this red one here. And so far it's taken me, to get all this done, it's taken me 3 of this size glue sticks. So not overly pricey on the glue side either. Okay crafters, here is the finished wreath. I bought another pack of each of the bows, and then I found this lovely, it's plastic, or so to say, yeah, it's plastic, this Merry Christmas sign. I thought it was really vintage, and I think it has a really kind of vintage 1980s, 1970s look to it, and I have to say I absolutely love it. I really love it. It's going to look great with my theme this Christmas. So here's the end result, and I literally just glued it on top of the bows, and I'll just hook it up on the back here. As you see, all the back is plain, but I just love the way it turned out, and I had enough left over to make a topiary tree. So I have a topiary tree with the same bows and everything to match. So I just love the way it turned out. I'm really happy with it. I really hope that you give this a try. You might be lucky enough to still find these in the stores at discount prices. If you do recreate this at any stage of the year, I would love to see it. So come over to Elf Creations page on Facebook and join us and share your Christmas creations throughout the year. I'm sure we'd all love to see them. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now.